Hello, are you thinking about investing in stock and you don't know where to start? You are not alone. And the good news is, it is easier than you think. Hi, I'm Toshabilu. In today's video, I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to manage your stock like a professional, even if you are a complete beginner. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will have a step-by-step understanding of how to start your investing journey. Let's talk about getting started. Stock investing is buying small pieces of a company's share that you believe will grow over time. So when the companies grow, your shares automatically grows and your investment appreciates. First of all, ensure you open a brokerage account because there are a lot of stock brokers all around that you can open your account with. Open an account so that you can start investing in stock. You don't need all the thousands of dollars or millions of naira to start your investment journey. You just need small amounts that will be adding monthly. Just be consistent about it. Once you're consistent, your portfolio will just be increasing. Also, ensure you focus on a long-term goal for your investment because stock investment is not a get quick rich scheme like CBXO. You have to be very patient and be investing for a long time. That's one thing about stock investing. Also, I will advise you to make sure that you read books, listen to videos just like this one, and ensure you are consistent about it so that you have a more understanding of how you need to invest. And when things are moving around and things are not really working or it is working, you will know what to do about it quickly. So you need to continue learning. To make your first investment, the next thing is to monitor your investment wisely. And one of the first thing that you need to do is to ensure you diversify your portfolio. When you diversify your portfolio across different sectors, maybe healthcare, electricity, maybe tech or anything, you are reducing your risk and ensuring that you have a very good investment and it is good for you. Number two, monitor but don't be too obsessed with your investment. You can monitor monthly, quarterly, but don't monitor every day because if you monitor every day, you will just be too emotional about your decision making and it will affect your investment. Three, manage your risk. Only invest money that you don't want to touch in a very long time. Don't put money you want to touch in the next 1 year or 2 years, or maybe money you want to take in the next 6 months and invest it in stock. It's a wrong way of investing in stock. Make sure you put money you won't touch for a long time. It's a long time investment, like I said earlier. So and almost you can even set a limit for yourself that okay, even if stock price drop by 20% or 30%, I will still not panic and for me to be able to start selling. So you need to also set that pattern of thinking for yourself. Number four, and which is the last one, you must ensure that you read news and listen to economic news, check reports, check earnings reports, and you can also speak like financial consultants like us that will help you to navigate through these troubled waters of uncertainty in stock investing, so that you have a balanced and a very sound investment portfolio for yourself. You see, starting can be very hard, but trust me, even the big time investors, the professional investors started small and they were consistent and they kept learning, they kept putting in more money, and that's how they grew their investment journey. Consistency is very important. It's a very secret weapon that you need to use for you to be able to go your investment journey. If you are planning to invest or you are already investing, let me know about your investment journey. Drop a comment below. Talk to us. Let us discuss together so that we can see how we can even help and guide you going forward. If you find this video very helpful, why not subscribe, like, comment, like I said earlier, press the notification bell, and for you to have better finance tips just like this one that's coming your way. Thank you for sharing part of your day with me. Thank you very much. See you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.